a rough tracing of 1 to 5. Okay. Similarly, we will do the 1 to 10. Here we started with the 1, and for this we use the variable I equals to 1. So we need one variable I. When we are writing the program to print the number from 1 to 10, we require this I. And now we know that we want number 1 to 10. So here no need to take the input n. Just write int I. Then after that printf display number from 1 to 10. This is just for understanding. Okay, do the semicolon here, press the enter. Okay, here write the syntax of loop. What is the syntax of loop? For loop, see, here is the syntax. For first is initialization, then condition, then increment or decrement. This is increment or decrement. And here we will use the post increment. Okay, see, in increment there is a two types, pre and post. But now for this program we will use the increment. Okay, see, here on a single line you need to write the initialization, semicolon is here, then condition, again semicolon is here, and increment. So for loop, inside the for loop there is a three parts. Okay, see, in this diagram this is your initialization, here is a condition, and here is your incrementation. So same thing we will use in the program for here, right, initialization, my initial condition is I equals to 1. Okay, then we will write the condition I less than equals to 10 because I want 10 number. Then I plus plus, here increment the value of I, then press the enter. Okay, see, you can give the curly bracket, you can avoid the curly bracket sometimes. When to give the curly bracket? If you are writing more than one statement after the for loop, if you are trying to include all the statements inside the scope of for loop, then give the curly bracket. Okay. If there is only one statement, no need to give the curly braces because the scope of this one line after this statement. Okay, so I write here print f, just print this value. So how to print? %d and give the comma here. Okay, and I. Okay, why %d? Because we are printing the integer number. Here I have declared the I as a 1. So write the %d. Then I. Okay, here is print the value. See, after printing what we need to do? First print the value. See, first initialization. Then we will check for the condition. If it is true, we will print the number, and after printing we need to increment the value. Okay, so where is the for? See, incrementation. See, we have, see, I equals to 1, I less than 10, I plus plus. We have typed all these in a single line, but actual execution will be like this. Okay, so here print %d I. Okay, and then after that return 0 and end your program. Okay, now we will see the output. Just click on a run because we are using the online compiler, so no need to compile previously. Just you can press the F9 or click on a run to compile this program. And see, check here output. Display numbers from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 पर्यंत output. This is your output. So how to give the space in between? We know the some escape character. You can write here /t. You can do the tab. You can do the space here. Just again click on a run and check the output. See, here is your output. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, till the 10. If you want to write here I equals to 1, I equals to 2, here you can write like this. I equals to. Again click on a run. See, I equals to 1, I equals to 2, till the I equals to 10. But I don't want this I equals to. So you can remove this. You can just click here and remove this. So in this way, you can print any numbers. Okay, Here just you need to change the limit. I want 100 number. So we can easily write the program for the same. See, 1 to 100, all the numbers. Okay, here is number. Okay, why here is a space slash t? Because here after printing we have given the slash t. That's why it looks like this. Okay, tab 0.5 inch space is here. Okay, so see, by using the loop you can avoid the number of initialization. See, when you want to display only two numbers, you can take the here variable n1 n2 or a b c d if there is a four number. It's easy if the number is 1 2 3 or 5. Okay, but it's not possible to declare all the variable and use it in a program. So it's easy way to use the for loop. Okay, so you can use the any loop actually. This is the concept of loop. You can use the for loop, while loop, or do while loop. Okay, you can do this program to print the number from 1 to 10 on a console. You can write this program by using any of the loop. You can use the for loop, while loop, do while loop. Any loop you can use for this purpose. But this is an example of simple for loop. Okay, got it?